Visual English Lab.
Visual English Lab.
We use will for predictions. We do not know for sure, but we think it will happen. For example, you will have a great future. When you have a plan, you can use going to. I have a plan to travel. I am going to travel next month. What about you? For a future possibility, we can say if. For example, if the weather is good tomorrow, we will go to the beach. It is a condition. To talk about an action at a specific time in the future, we can say, tomorrow at 9 p.m., I will be watching a movie. For the future, we use special time words. Some examples are tomorrow, next week, next month, and next year. They help us understand when. When you make a promise, you can use will. For example, I will help you with your homework. Or, don't worry, I will be there. When we see something now that shows the future, we use going to. Look at the dark clouds. It is going to rain very soon. When you are not sure about your future plans, you can use might. I might go to the party, or I might not. I don't know. To talk about something that will be finished before a time in the future, we say, by next year, I will have finished my English course. To ask a question about a future event, you can start with will. There is a party next week. Will you be there with us?